Hello. In this video, I'd like to explain the microphone mute button, which is located right here. This button allows you to be able to mute your side of the phone call. So if you're on a speaker phone, you can, and you had several people in your office, you can simply hit that mute of the microphone, whether or not you're on your handset or the speakerphone, and then it will stop the audio being transmitted from your phone while you can still listen to theirs. Then when you're ready to talk, you can hit that button again, and you will be able to no longer have your mic muted, and you will be able to have a regular conversation. This comes in handy if you have lots of people in a room and you don't get lots of background noises such as coughs or things like that. It's a lot better and a cleaner way of having a conference call when you have several people in the room. Or for some reason you have to sneeze or you have to cough without the caller hearing you. It's a simple button that you can press to mute that call. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.